See, now we are moving towards our exercise, students. So, listen carefully. Match the following and frame sentences. The train arrived in an hour. See, in the column A, the half of the sentences have been given, and the sentences which is suited in the column B, that we have to match, student. Okay. The bell was rung to indicate the end of the time allotted to speak. Okay, so you can understand this and you can read, so it will be okay. Meet me after cleaning the house. Leaves fall off the trees during autumn. Okay, so this way you can solve the exercise. It's very easy, students. Okay, it's very easy. Now we are moving towards the exercise D. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Sia is sitting on the coach. See, in these any prepositions you can place according to the sentences. Okay, the word, the preposition which suit according to the sentence that we have to place. Now distribute the sweets among the children. Among यानी वो children में बांट दो. Among the children use. Okay. What is this time by your watch? Birds are flying over the tree. Okay, the birds are flying over the tree means tree के ऊपर से birds fly हो रहे हैं. Okay. So this way the rest of the exercise you have to solve, students. Now exercise C. Fill in the blanks with to, for, after, with or at. See, now in this, students, no other preposition can be used, only the above given verb prepositions which they have said, only that prepositions according to the sentences you have to place. Okay. Sahil will apply for the job after completing his training program. Very easy. The teacher was very annoyed with the class because the students had not behaved well. Annoyed means very disappointed. Okay, he become very angry, very sad because the class behavior is not well. The students' behavior is not well. The state has been under president's rule for the past 3 months. So this way you can solve the rest exercise, students. Exercise D. Fill in the gaps with on, at, by, about or through. Okay, only these prepositions will going to come in the following blanks. Everybody loves Raymond telecast every weekend at 8 p.m. Okay, at 8 p.m. Earlier we have seen where the at, on, by and is used. Rita was on the phone when the lights went out. Okay, when the light went out, Rita was talking to someone. That means he is on the phone. The phone is on. They went to their hometown by car. I have read all the novels by Agatha Christie. Okay, so this way you have to solve the rest of the exercise. Fill in the gaps with over, up, under, behind or opposite. The flock of birds flew over the buildings. Buildings के ऊपर से bird flew हो रहे हैं. अभी जैसे हम लोग ने देखा कि trees के ऊपर से जा रहे हैं. So here it is the birds are flying over the buildings. Okay. Flew, that means past tense. Okay, sorry students, the exercise D has not been shown in the screen when I have explained you, so you can see in the textbook. Okay, exercise E, fill in the gaps. Okay, now the students put up a brilliant performance. The ball rolled and stopped opposite the chair. You need to go up the lift to reach the 54th floor. Okay. So it's very easy according to the sentence. You themselves understand, students, what the proper prepositions is going to come. Okay. Now exercise F. Fill in the gaps with the above, across, along, against or among. Superstitious behavior is rampant among rural areas of our country. See, have you know students what is the superstition? Superstitions का मतलब होता है अंधविश्वास, जो मतलब गलत धारणा है, जो मतलब रूरल पीपल में ज़्यादा देखी जाती है, जो मतलब रूरल एरियाज़ में रहते हैं कि मतलब जो इलिटरेट होते हैं वो लोग ज़्यादा अंधविश्वास पे विश्वास करते हैं कि हम ये करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, ये होगा तो ये होगा. ओके, सो डैट इज़ नोन एज द सुपरस्टिशंस. ओके, ही कम्स across as a true gentleman. The students in the class 5 are above average. The fans ran along the field to meet the cricket player. So this way you have to solve the rest of the exercise, students. Read the exercise, all the exercise carefully, students. Don't just fill up the blanks. Okay, read it, understand it, why the particular preposition is coming. So according to that we have to solve. Okay, so take care. We'll see you then in the next video. Bye bye. Take care, students. Jai Swaminarayan.